Hello everyone, welcome to Oracle F1 channel. In this video, we are going to see Oracle Enterprise Manager OEM 13.4 version installation and configuration. First, we are going to install and set up the databases. First, I am going to install the Oracle Identity database here. DBCA. Now click next on standalone database. Next, database global name and SID. I am giving OEM 134 and a pluggable database OEM 134 plug. Click next. File system I am choosing and I am giving the data file locations. And also I am giving that FRA location and archive log location. Here itself I am enabling the archive log mode. Click next. Now creating the listener for this database. Now we need to specify that SGA and PGA size, but for Oracle Enterprise Manager OEM 13.4 version, we need minimum 3 GB SGA and shard pool size 1 GB and PGA 1 GB. So here it is, I am increasing that SGA limit. So let's begin the installation. So installation started. It will take some time to finish. Looking for the alert logs for any errors while creating the instance. Now the installation has been completed. Now we will connect to the DB, and we need to do some prerequisites. Minimum 300 MB of the read log file size. So also here some steps we need to perform at PDB level. Why? Because of, as per the Oracle Metalink note, disable the following parameters for the installation and enable them after the installation is finished. This is to avoid the check if all adaptive features parameters are unset error while configuring while installing the OEM. Okay, so we will do, I have checked here the read log size. Here it is 200 MB only. It is in the read log file size. So I am going to increase the file size as 300 MB as suggested by Oracle support, Oracle as per the metallic note. So I am going to drop and recreate the read log file. I'm adding one read log file and dropping another group. So it will be like that. I'm adding 3 read log files and dropping those old read log files, and manually I'll delete those read log files as well. After that, I am going to execute this script and all in PDB level. So need to connect PDB and we need to execute one by one. Why? Because of this, we need to all the parameters should be changed in the PDB level, because while we are configuring and installing OEM, it will be through an error. So as per Oracle metallic note, I am doing it one by one in PDB pluggable database. Once we have done these steps, we need to bounce the DB. So this is why, because we are doing it to avoid that check if all adaptive features parameter are unset. So we are doing it as per the Oracle metallic note. After configuring and installing OEM, we need to enable it. We need to enable it in the PDB level. Okay. So it's done. Now these are all the parameters we did changed. Now we are going to reboot the instance. Means I am going to bounce the instance. So I am bouncing the instance, shut immediate. So I am starting up. once start up the database, we have done for the database configuration for OEM installation. So we are going to install and configure OMS on in my next video. Until then, stay tuned for Oracle F1 channel. And what are the prerequisites for creating OEM on VirtualBox virtual machines and everything, I'll put it in the video description box, and also I am sharing into my blog as well. What are the hardware requirements and software requirements, everything I will be posting into my video description box. Please visit in my Oracle DBA blog as well as in this video description for all the prerequisites details. So in my next video, I am going to create and install the Oracle Enterprise Manager 13.4 version OEM configuration, and we will see you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned for Oracle F1 channel. Please do subscribe and share and like, as well as don't forget to click bell icon for getting that immediate notifications posting of my every videos, and share it to your DBA networks. And I'll show you how to configure OEM on next video. Until then, bye bye, stay tuned. Thank you very much.